Today we're looking at Prismacolor Premiere Colored Pencils from Blick Art Materials. Hi, I'm Scott Meyer with Artists Network, and while I primarily work in oils, charcoal, and graphite, I've been looking to get started with colored pencil. I found a great combination here with the Prismacolor Premiere Colored Pencils and Blick Studio Bristol Vellum. I love the rich, vibrant colors of these pencils and the curation of hues in these sets of 24 and 48. I can really feel the care put into the crafting of these pencils to ensure they lay down smoothly, sharpen cleanly, and deliver professional quality pigments. These cores are thick and strong enough to resist breaking, but soft enough to layer and blend easily. This Blick Studio Bristol Vellum is the right surface to reveal the potential of these pencils, and with the combination of heavy weight, acid-free paper, and light fast pigments, I'm confident my work will last. Go to dickblick.com, pick up a set, and dive into the world of colored pencils.